Nate Adams with Energy Smart Home Performance here, and I wanted to show you the range hood I just installed in my own house. So this is a brand new model from Broan called the CLDH130SS, and the SS is for stainless steel. But I bought this because I wanted a couple of different things. The main thing was I keep a Fubot indoor air quality monitor right next to my stove, and it gets orange when it's mad, which I can actually show. So you can see it just went orange, so it's upset right now, and it looks like that a lot when I have something on the stove. So in running the stove or the range hood before, it was just too loud, and my wife and I didn't like to have it on, and it just annoyed us while we were talking. So I wanted to change to a quieter one. So I did a lot of research and came up with this, actually thanks to one of the R&D folks at Broan. This model is so new that you can only buy it at Lowe's. They're the only ones carrying it yet. I wanted to show you the noise levels of it. So I'll start with the light. So the lights are very bright, and they are LEDs here. I can change. There we are. Still a little bit blown out, but the underneath of this range hood looks really quite professional. It's got these nice panels that you can pull out. And there's the fan up there. There's actually two fans in this, one on each side. But these lights are crazy bright. So that's low, and this is high, and that's a little bit tough to tell, but it's crazy bright. It's like the second coming, which is great. So you can see quite well as you're cooking. Now, the thing that I really wanted, though, like I said, was I wanted this thing to be quiet. So it has 3 levels. So this is low speed, which, because I live on a busy road, you can actually hear the traffic more so than this fan. So when it's quiet in my house, it's about 45 to 47 decibels. When I turn this on low, it's up to 51, so it's only a 5 decibel bump. That's a very small thing, but it doesn't pull very well. You can't really tell what's happening. So if I turn it up to medium, you can kind of hear it. This is supposed to be 2.5 zones, and it works out to about 57 decibels, 56 decibels, which is plenty quiet. We talk at about 60 or 65 decibels, so it's not hard to talk over this and to be heard over it. And this pulls reasonably well. It's not amazing, but you know, if you watch the steam coming up off of a pot, it is adequate for most purposes. So, and I didn't mention, so low stage is 0.3 zones, medium is 2.5, and high is 6 or 6.5, pretty high. So high is quite noisy. So you can hear that's quite loud, but it flows really nicely, and that is 72 decibels, but you can hear I have to raise my voice to talk over it, and that's not good. But still, I like this thing.